I'm Vin of the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by the Bitcoin 2023 conference in Miami Beach, Florida, May 18th through 20th. Head down, check out 15,000 plus attendees, 2,000 plus companies, and 150 plus speakers, including people like Matt Odell, Alex Gladstein, Lynn Alden, Michael Saylor, and many more to be announced. This will be my 4th time attending. Don't miss it. b.tc/conference. Use code BTC Sessions at checkout for 10% off. I also think the incentives align to make people become better at their craft, because Bitcoiners are inherently low time preference. So they're willing to pay more for better quality products and services. And so you come into the space, obviously there's going to be, like, if you're offering some sort of a unique service and currently there's not a lot of people that are offering that service, that also accept Bitcoin, Bitcoiners will likely gravitate towards you. However, when people see that, oh, you know, there's a good customer base of Bitcoiners that want to live on Bitcoin and want to, well, there's going to be more people that come into your specific area of expertise and accept Bitcoin. Well, and especially as they discover what Bitcoin is. And so you're going to have to get better and better at your craft, and you're going to have to level up very quickly. And I think your leveling up is going to be parallel to your knowledge of how important Bitcoin is. Because if you start missing out on sats because some other person has come up and they're doing a better job than you, you're going to say, no, I want those sats really bad. So I better improve my craft. I better offer something that other people can't. And I think the way this goes is that, again, it's this, what Mickey has said here in around kind of this ideal of the American dream. It's not equal outcome, but it's equal opportunity. And anybody who wants to work for it, anybody who wants to actually grind and create something of value will reap the benefits, because Bitcoin returns us to a place where we value craftsmanship, where we value people who have really honed their craft. And I look forward to that world coming to fruition, because I'm already seeing it.